Hey guys, welcome back to Erwin's Art Adventure. For today's lesson, we're going to learn how to draw a dog. So let's get started. So I'm actually going to start off with the top of the dog's head, and it's just going to be a big arch. And I'm going to actually do the same type of line on each side of the dog's head. So it'll look something like this. Now I'm going to connect these two lines by doing a big wide U shape. Now for the dog's ears, I'm actually going to do a straight line that's going to come out the top like this. And I'm going to do a curved line that comes down. And another line that comes across. Now, I'm going to try to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to do a straight line that comes out the top, a curved line, and in. Since it is a dog, more than likely it's probably going to be your pet. And what do pets have? A collar. So let's do a couple lines like this. And we're going to draw a circle in the middle right here, which is where the tag is going to be. And we're going to do a curved line like so. Feel free to pause the video if you need to catch up. It's no big deal. We'll be right here with you the whole time. Now for the dog's body, I'm actually going to do a couple of straight lines. So I'm actually going to make the dog look like it's sitting down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw his two legs up front. And I'm going to draw these big, wide U shapes. And it's okay if they overlap. Just try not to draw through it. And I'm going to do a couple lines inside to make it look like it has toes. Now, to make it look like it's sitting, I'm going to draw a C shape here. And another C shape here. And these are going to be the feet of the dog. And what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to do these half circles that come up to this line on each side to look like the back legs. Now I'm going to draw the tail of the dog. You could either have the tail down low or up high. It's really up to you. So I'm going to do a curved line like this, and it's going to come to a point, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come back down and curve the line until it gets to the leg. For the dog's nose, I'm going to draw two lines that are pointing down towards the middle, and it's going to be in the middle of his face. And I'm going to connect these two lines with another curved line. For his mouth, I'm going to do a straight line down the middle like that, and I'm going to do a couple of U shapes on each side. And we'll give the dog a tongue that's sticking out like that. And then I'm going to do two ovals for the eyes. So I'm going to do one here and one here. So 1 and 2. And I'm going to add a little circle inside for the reflection in the dog's eyes. Let's go ahead and fill that in. And we'll do a couple eyebrows. Real quick, did you know that dogs actually have a great sense of smell? A dog's nose is at least 40 times more sensitive than a human's, allowing them to follow scent trails for days. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, back to the video. Now this is where you get to be creative. You have the opportunity to make your dog look any way you want. Give it specific patterns, be a specific color. It's really up to you at this point. I'm going to actually color mine with marker on top of marker paper, but feel free to use crayons or color pencils or anything you like to color with. So I'm going to speed this part up and we'll be right back. And this is my dog. Remember, you guys can make it look any way you want. It's really important, though, to have fun and enjoy the process. I just want to say that I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in again. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.